Hello mga madam! At dahil birthday ko today, naisipan namin mag-Disneyland. Mag-feeling 5 years old muna tayo ngayon. Ayan, bago tayo pumasok sa loob, mag-picture-picture muna tayo sa labas. So kasama si auntie, family picture dapat, diba? At dapat kasama rin si daddy na walang kahilig-hilig magpa-picture. So hilain na muna natin siya at ayan, napilit din namin sa picture. Bibihira lang po yan sumama sa mga pictures namin. Hindi ba man kami nag-uumpisa maglakad-lakad ay gutom na ang aking mga anakis. Pero super haba ng pila, kaya kailangan talaga magbaon ng maraming pasensya. So habang naghihintay kami ng parade, sayaw-sayaw lang muna si Mariam ang aming Minnie Mouse today. Nag-i-enjoy din siya habang naghihintay. Ayan na nga, dumating na sila. Andyan si Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, sila Alvin the Chipmunks, Winnie the Pooh, at di ko nakilala yung iba. Alam nyo na, tumatanda na tayo kaya halos hindi na natin matandaan yung mga characters. So after the parade, pupunta na kami sa World of Frozen dahil ito talaga ang pakay namin dito at dahil bago siya na attraction dito sa Disneyland, so excited na kami at super dami ng tao. Wow! Ang ganda ng ginawa nila. Para ka talagang nasa Arendelle. Alam mo yung binuhay nila yung nasa movie. At ito yung lake na naging ice, diba? Grabe! Super mamamangha ka talaga sa loob ng World of Frozen. At pumila na nga kami para makapasok sa loob ng castle. Hindi na namin isinama si Mariam dahil baka mainip lang at matakot pa. Akala naming 15 minutes lang yung pila, yun pala 50 minutes ang hihintayin namin para matry namin sumakay sa magical boat. O diba, pa-petiks-petiks pa kami dyan. So habang nasa pila kami, nagpakita si Elsa. Grabe, ang saya ng mga anak ko. Tingnan nyo yung reaction nila. You see that? Did you see Elsa? So, after 50 years, 50 minutes lang pala, natapos din yung pila at nakarating na din kami kung saan kami sasakay. Ito yung tinatawag nilang magical boat sa loob ng Frozen World. So, super excited kami. Pero ang totoo niyan, kabado si Mariana kasi takot siya sa mga heights. Kasi alam niyang may pasabog sa loob. Ayan, nakasakay na nga kami at excited na ang lahat.
Hi, I'm Mary and I will be doing the voiceover for this part of the video. I don't know why. My mom is a bit tired, I think. So we were so excited to go on this, but the thing is, it was a 50-minute wait. It was so long, but I loved it. It was so fun, and Mariana was a bit scared, but that was fine. She cried a bit and stuff, but it was really fun for me. We even got to go and see all the characters, and look at this, it's so fun. We were so excited to go on this, and we can even see all the characters, and it's so nice to go on here. You should go here next time you go to Disneyland. It's so fun and exciting, and you don't even know what's happening next. It's really good for surprising people. And this is the part where we saw Anna and Kristoff and Sven. It was so fun and it was really surprising. But look at this. It's gonna open now. And ta-da! You can see Elsa in her magical ice castle. And now we see Elsa with her magical powers. It was so fun. Look at us. Now, we love Elsa, so that was our favorite character of the movie. And now, you're gonna see the most amazing part. We're going down! Backwards. It was so fun. Now we're gonna go ahead and out of the castle. This is the part where it looks really scary. And we thought something was gonna happen. And this is the part where Mariana started crying also. She was crying a bit of the parts also, but, you know, she stopped eventually. And now, we really saw something that happened. And now, are you ready? It was so fun and exciting, but Mariana was really crying a lot on this time. So, we're gonna go down now. And it was like mostly scary, and it was all black, so we didn't get to see you anything.
Taran! Tingnan nyo yung mga itsura namin after the ride. So, ayan na nga, may pa-fireworks pa sila. Super saya at super nag-enjoy po kami sa loob kahit na super haba ng pila. Worth it naman po. Yung 50 minutes na pila ay 5 minutes lang sa loob pero mag-i-enjoy po kayo at mag-i-enjoy po ang inyong pamilya. Sigurado ako ang mga bata ay magiging masaya pag napasok nyo po ang World of Frozen. At sana po pumasyal po kayo minsan dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. O, nag-promote pa. So, ayun na nga, after namin ng World of Frozen, lumabas po si Elsa at nakipagtsikahan po sa mga bata. At ayan po, nakikipaglaro po siya ng kanyang ice making. Ayan, o diba? Ang saya-saya. So, sumakay muna kami sa carousel para naman may rides na ginawa si Mariam. Pero ang sabi sa akin ng daddy niya ay nagpunta daw sila sa train at isinakay niya si Mariam. So, nag-enjoy din siya kahit na hindi siya nakapasok sa World of Frozen. Ayan, at dahil super enjoy kami at ako naman ay nakatayo lang po dyan, hindi na po ako sumakay sa likod ng anak ko. Nakikita nyo po yan, ang saya-saya ng mga bata. O diba, kahit simpleng carousel lang yan. At dahil pagod na ang lahat at may birthday dinner pa kami mamaya at di na namin kayang maglakad pa, kaya sumakay na kami sa train to Main Street kung saan malapit po yung exit. O diba, technique yan para hindi na po kayo maglakad pabalik. I hope you enjoy watching mga madam. And pa-follow naman po ako ng aking Facebook page, ang Cook and Talk with Madam, for more fun and exciting reels. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cook and Talk with Madam. See you all next time for more adventures with us. Bye!